In this video, I'll show you how to make this viral split screen edit in CapCut. If this helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving a video a like so others can find it. Go to CapCut, then start a new project. You're going to select 3 videos that are already filmed horizontally. Now, instead of clicking add, you're going to go ahead and click on Collage right next to this add button, tap on it, then you're going to select your layout. It's probably going to be the first one you see. Once you have your layout, go ahead and tap check. Then you're going to go to ratio right here at the middle and you're going to select the TikTok ratio. Now, here's where you can actually edit all the 3 videos that you just added to the layout. To do that, you're going to click on this little bubble right here at the top, and then you're going to be able to edit each video. Make sure that each video lasts the same amount of time. So go ahead and crop your videos. And once you're happy with your videos, this is what you're going to get. Hope that helps.